Hello everybody, Molly Report Nation here, and today I have another awesome unboxing for you guys today. Today we have the Boeing E-4B here, Advanced Airborne Command Post. As of early 2026 here, late 2025, people have seen this aircraft flying around a lot more lately, with tensions in the air. This is also known as the Doomsday plane here, guys. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. And let's take a look. This one is by Dragon Wings. All right, guys, here it is with a nice clear shot here. Advanced Command Post here. As you can see it in the box. Some facts on the side as well as more information. Super cool. Let's go ahead and get it open. Also, I noticed from the seal here, this has never been opened before. Actually, looks like it's new in box. So that's incredible too. So brand new. Don't want to make sure I don't. Yeah, guys, this is actually literally brand new. I think it's just been on somebody's shelf for quite some time. So let's go ahead and get it open here. Yeah, this is new in box here, guys. Never been opened before. It's literally probably been years this thing's been in this box, to be honest. Comes with a stand. Stand's kind of like in the side here. Try to get it out of here. Let's get the airplane out. Oh wow, good. Landing gear is already on it. I thought I would have to put the landing gear on it, so that's good. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed here, guys. There are other options as well to, I think, recover the landing gear too. So I think you do have that option if you do want to go that route. All right, guys, here's a nice close look at it here. Really awesome aircraft here. Highly known for its role as the Doomsday plane. This thing can basically survive a nuclear attack here. So super cool. Let's go ahead and turn this here. Look at the wings on this thing. I don't know. From the box, it tells that it looks like it hasn't been opened ever, but there is a little bit of, I don't know what to call that, but I think it maybe just be from storage for a long time that this thing's been in. But if so, we'll still clean it up a bit. But really cool looking plane here. Let's look at the bottom here again. Lots of nice details here, nice and smooth. I know Gemini Jets made one of these as well, I saw. But no one's really selling it right now. But who knows, maybe they'll release another version of it. I feel like they will. Since it's always been, but now it's even more a very popular aircraft to this time today. The antenna right here. You have the refueler up front here, guys. Love the blue with the white. Nice close shot of the tail here, guys. You also do have kind of Air Force One emblem, or military emblem, on the side here too. Super cool. I did just try to put it on the stand, but I guess to use the stand you have to take the gear off, I guess, because the stand kind of comes backwards this way. So this whole like section in the middle here comes off right where my thumb is. So we'll show that another time, but hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing here of the E-4B here. What an iconic aircraft. I'll be showing this at my airports here, flying into Los Angeles and other airports too, and wherever military aircraft come in. Definitely going to be getting a lot more military aircraft in the near future too, guys, especially for my Honolulu layout. So stay tuned for that. Until next time, guys, we'll see you in the next video, guys. I also did purchase this off eBay here. So you can't really get this from any sellers right now, I don't believe. But if you do find that out there, then you're very lucky. But yeah, guys, super cool.